Really does is they reach out to the fans, and actually we teach that with an amazing organization called Western Wishes here in Salt Lake City. And we have a very inspirational young lady. You know, we're all rodeo fans. This young lady is a rodeo fan. We come here to root on our cowboy athletes, and they offer us inspiration. But this young lady to my right is 17 years old. I'm going to tell you a quick story. Last December, she was actually preparing to run for a rodeo league title. She was diagnosed with a severe form of leukemia. The doctors told her, you're going to lose all your hair. Your tooth makes it that you never have noise. This young lady is a fighter. She stands here in April with all of her hair. She stands here in April at the ERA rodeo to get to meet her favorite rodeo athletes. She stands here in April as a hero. Would you welcome Taylor Priest to the ERA rodeo? Listen, you see Charmaine, you see Cal, you see all these girls, they are fans of this young lady right here. And listen, you didn't know that you were going to be here up until about 2 days ago, right? So it was a pretty big surprise. So how was your experience been so far?
Well, I absolutely loved it. I've never thought that I would ever do anything. Everything I have, I've had conversations.
That's so neat. It is so neat what Western Wishes does. So tell me, and it's just me and talking. Is there any like certain cowboys that you guys are out already?
Well, I want to meet the right way, Spencer and
Okay. Jesse is taken. And I'm not sure about Spencer, but I just want to let you know there's a guy named Josh Cooper. Hey, would that work? Your fix, see, her mom told me to mess with her, and now she's getting shy. But nonetheless, she is a hero. We are the true people that have been just rewarded by you being here tonight. Thank you so much. How about one more time?